Hello friends, welcome back to our channel We Analyze. We've actually crossed 8,000 plus views for the channel. Not only that, we've actually crossed 1,000 plus views for 3 of our videos. We've actually got up to 391 subscribers, which is only 9 subscribers more to reach 400. So if you're watching this video and you haven't subscribed or liked or shared this, please go ahead and do that right now.
Never say I've been on my grind for 7 days. Need a race.
So we all know that as you buy a smartphone, you no longer get earphones with it. No longer manufacturers are actually providing earphones with it. Not only that, latest flagship manufacturers have started to remove the earphone jack in it. Right from OnePlus 7 to OnePlus 7 Pro, even the last year's OnePlus 60 and certain other manufacturers have also done that. Which means we are driving towards either a C-type USB earphones or a Bluetooth earphones. Now, Bluetooth earphones is actually a trend and has a market of its own. So what we're going to talk about today is definitely one of the best Bluetooth earphones that we have. Yes, I'm going to talk about Noise Shorts, which is actually the truly wireless headphones from Noise, which clearly means no strings attached. Let's look at what we have in store from this pair of headsets. As the name says, this is truly wireless and it's a pair of in-ear earphones. This comes with Bluetooth 4.1, which brings in better power management and device connectivity. What that means is the sync between the Bluetooth headsets and the device that you're going to connect it with. This pair of earphones comes with voice assistant enabled, which means you can talk to Siri or Google Assistants on a button click depending on what phone you're going to connect this to. This device is IPX4 rated, which means this is being sweat proof. This device is definitely for common use but has a slighter upper hand for people who work out in gym or do hard exercises. The other part of the positives is the songs played are definitely loud and have good noise cancellations. My conversations in traffic were not impacted by honking, which I liked the most. This definitely has a decent battery life and easy charging mechanism, which is the charging case. You just need to carry the charging case along with you and make sure that's charged up and you can let your pods run for a day. The other thing that I forgot to mention earlier is that this is compatible with both Android and iOS, which is why you can use both Google Assistant and Siri depending on the device you're connecting this to. Let's jump on to see, is this device really providing what it's promising? These are the couple of positives that actually made me a go buyer for this device. Firstly, these are truly wireless and these are not neck bands, so they do not carry any wires around. The other thing that I liked about this device, which makes this unique, is the ability to use the 2 different pods independently. I can choose to connect one pod to my TV and the other one to my phone, so I am enjoying a movie and as well getting notifications from my phone. But I did not use this to a greater extent, primarily because I could not concentrate on both my devices. I can use one pod still if I lost the other one, though this might not be a great use, but that is still an option for us. With regards to the in-ear fit, I did not struggle much to get this to fit in. It was smooth and stayed tight for my regular use. The buttons on the either sides of the pod are really responsive and tactile. I definitely like that part. Each time I pushed the button on either of the pods, I could feel the buttons being pressed and the device actually acknowledged to the connected device, which is great, and it did not go loose over the last 6 months that I've been using this device for. Are there any devices that do not have a flaw? Well, not really. Yes, this device did disappoint me in a few factors. Let's look at what those are. The reason I mentioned I have a decent battery life on this device is because the battery drains a little faster if I happen to use both the earbuds connected. If I chose to turn off one of the pods, the battery was a little bit more than what normally I used to get. Though not always, but 4 out of 10 times, I ended up waiting longer than usual to get the pods to sync with my device, which I did not expect with a Bluetooth 4.1 device. Though I could not see a pattern on when this was happening or how this was happening, but I did face this challenge. For music and bass lovers, this is not an optimal choice, as the bass is good, but not for people who actually love bass and have an equalizer set for bass. The earpods do tend to fall out if you're working out too hard or running at a high pace, which is not per se the device's name, which is a sporty gym look. Lastly, if you happen to lose one of your earpods and luckily it's dark, you can find the other pair as it has a small light glowing on the pod when it is on and connected. Actually, they could have provided a sound or a beep noise with each pod and some mechanism that I can actually use to locate if the device pods are lost. Friends, this is the second wireless Bluetooth headset that I've purchased this year. The first one was the OnePlus Bullet Wireless, the version 1. Now, when I look at noise, the choice that I made does not disappoint me at all. The device actually performs more than what I expected in terms of audio quality, let it be the call or the music. The amount of effort that I hear on the ears, it's excellent. It's definitely pleasing. It's not too loud. It does not actually scream out well, but you can actually hear the bits and pieces of the audio that you're hearing, and even the voice calls are far better. So if you ask me, noise shots is definitely a shot that you need to give out for a Bluetooth wireless headphones, and for the price that is being paid, yes, you're going to definitely enjoy the music. What I'm going to do for you is I'm going to give out the Amazon link right now in the description of the video. Please go ahead and click on it, purchase it. You can experience the music that I feel. Hey friends, what are you guys waiting for? While I go ahead and enjoy the music on my newly purchased noise shots, I would recommend you guys to go ahead and purchase the noise from the link in the description and enjoy the music as I do. Until then, I'll see you guys in another video. I'll continue to listen to music on my noise. Do not forget to hit like, share and subscribe, and also do not forget to hit the bell icon. Take care. Bye-bye.